where kings still govern, world courts still rule, and Vermeer's most famous girl still won't look away. A rushed bus tour gives you 10 minutes at the Peace Palace gates and a blurry photo of Parliament. The real story never gets told. Uvamai's The Hague self-guided audio tour hands you 10 expertly narrated stops from the 700-year-old Binnenhof to the North Sea shores of Scheveningen. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to your inbox with professional narration and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group, no rush, just The Hague at your pace. Stand where Dutch politics has run for 7 centuries at the Binnenhof. Walk past the Peace Palace, home to the world's highest court. Come face to face with Vermeer's girl with a pearl earring at the Mauritshuis. Step into an Escher museum where staircases defy logic. Then trade cobblestones for the coast. 11 kilometers of North Sea beach at Scheveningen, with its Victorian pier and a bungee jump above the waves. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand The Hague, not just photograph it. $6. The Hague's government, art, and coastline all in one tour. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com